Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to submit a ticket on the Namecheap website. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go and open once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type namecheap.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. Of course, if you have an account, make sure to hover the sign in option, enter your username and password, and click at sign in to log in into your account. If you don't have one, you can just go and click at the sign up and fill the informations of yours manually. You don't have the fast sign up option, like sign up with Google or something like that. And once you did one of those two options, you will find yourself on something like this if you are already logged in into your account. As we said, we would like to submit a ticket on the Namecheap. So you can submit your requests, of course, on the help desk. Their support team will update you using the email address specified during the ticket submission. If you need any specific help with your account, you can feel free to contact their support team. Of course, you can do that by opening a new tab and simply type support.namecheap.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page. And of course, from here, you can just simply click at submit a ticket. And from here, follow the easy instruction, click at next, and next round, you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.